Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern McCurtain County in southeastern Oklahoma until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles southwest of Octavia, or 26 miles east of Clayton, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bethel, Baptiste, Pickens, and Smithville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: McCurtain, Oklahoma,